Welcome to King David TV. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you.
Hi, my YouTube family. How you guys doing? Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma. Thank you for checking out this video. I just want to show us a few video about the flood that happened in Ghana, Accra, and also Lagos. And please, our government, please help us do something about it. Thank you. Let's check out the video.
Then one more.
God, I what? God, I beg. God, I what? God, I beg.
I want to declare my bike.
You can't see. Bus is coming from Oshodi. They are stopped. They are stopped.
It's a sad thing because areas that have never recorded flooding are now being flooded. I was on the mainland yesterday. People were stranded on the road. There was nowhere to pass. Cars, buses could not move. People struggled to get home. Look at we do not have proper drainage in Lagos. Even the little ones we have, people will drop their dirt on the road and they put it inside the gutter so that rain will wash it away. At the end of the day, there's no free flow of water. And to say proper rain has not even started. How do we do it? This should be a collaboration between Lagos State and us, the citizens. People, please stop dropping refuse on the road and in the gutter. Lagos State, I beg, look into our drainages, please.
Lagos, they smell. See, now dirty with this. Now dirty section.
ọmọ ó gbalẹ̀ fún ó dẹ̀ balẹ̀ fún mọ́tò ẹ̀ jẹ́ ó balẹ̀ fún mọ́tò ẹ̀ jẹ́ bóyá ilẹ̀kùn yẹn lè tí omi dẹ̀ ti rọ̀ wọlé omi gba ilẹ̀kùn ó dẹ̀ balẹ̀ fún yẹn jẹ́ omi yọ̀lẹ̀kùn káàbọ̀ lẹ̀ omi rí owó àbí àríwá ó lè. First bank. See water inside the first bank. See water. I don't see it. See water. See water. This is the place you by park. See everywhere there's water. Survive me. Want to jam me? Want to jam me? You want to go or not?
Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wá. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, room select.
Yes, oh.
Room select.
Affordable price.
Yes.
Very cheap.
Yes.
Yes, oh.
Yes.
Let me show you. Switch it to back camera. 50K, oh. 50K per 1 year.
Our house.
This year, we want to live. The location, mainland Lagos, Iwaya. MFM Road.
We are beautiful girls.
MFM Road, oh. I'm the agent. We want to. It's very good. I'm the agent, oh. I'm the agent. If you're looking for a house, 2-bedroom flat, very affordable price.
50K.
It's just So can say, let's show this side. This is show Savior like this. Show Savior like this. Go back small. No. I just do something.
We are packing this water. Just like say maybe the water need open the go. See, that here be like conga. See passage, wey person dey stay. Make God help us. I don't pass. I don't tired. Now go come now. Come dey ask for money. You no pay now. They come dey blow your neck. Now we say now we dey stop and I no go come o.
It no be.
Now no go come o. Now they go maybe snake. Now they go maybe snake no go dey for inside this water. Nothing person go see inside this water because Canada don't bring nonsense thing come. Now they go maybe snake no go dey for inside the water. People just dey careful. Maybe snake no dey for inside this water. Say water be like conga, pass it be like conga. May God help us. May God help us. So God, we don't tire for this place. May God help us. See pass it be like conga.
We need help. God, we need
pass it be like conga. We need help, oh God. Please, you guys repost the video. We need help. We need help.
Look at kids. Look at kids. See how they are going to school. The boat at the end of the day is the one that's carrying kids to school. So I want to be sure and I want to know if this is the legacy that you guys are setting. Even as simple as setting, for example, we had to set all these lines to as much as possible show people that there are gutters there, because people as simple as just making sure that there are lines there so that people know where the gutter is and they don't fall inside gutter. That is all you have done. That's all we need to be done. But we hear this intervention and we don't see it in any simple way. See how children are going to school. So lucky.
Very lucky.
Wait. Wait. One more small person.
This canal is one of the biggest canals in Lagos, and look at the easy flow of water that is supposed to take all of the flooded waters from your areas, from your streets, right, to the canal. But look at this. Look at how clogged this place is with dirt, different kinds of dirt. And just look at how over 20 men, over 20, I tried counting at one point. They are trying to push the dirt away, and so that this place will not get flooded or will not get clogged more, right? But they're trying to push the dirt. It's going to cause another havoc somewhere else, and it's so sad. Lagosians, don't drop your waste in your gutters. Dispose your waste properly. This is insane. This is very, 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 very sad. I have to just come down, take a video of this process of what is going on. Just look at that heap of waste moving, people trying to push it so that water can flow in this canal. It's sad, Lagosians. It's really, really sad. Just look at this.
Sorry. We are reporting from Ipaja, Lagos. Government to come and help us. See, this road is very, 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 very bad. Just because today rain is very, very much. And we are facing. People have to park
People have to park their car and trek. The funniest part is that middle is very, very risky. Can you see? This is after command Yanokola before church doctor like I'm going to gate or Jeddah. Can you see this is Lagos, Nigeria? Please come and help us. I got here on your face by you have to face all this. Can you see all these cars that are parked? Government to come and help us.
Guys, I woke up to see, look at my compound, look at outside there. Look at my compound, look at outside, look at this lady here. Look at how deep the water is to her knee, to the main road, to everywhere. Blood of Jesus. Momo, how can someone be paying such amount of money to stay in a flooded place? I'm paying 10M and I'm staying in a place that tomorrow water might even enter my house. Oh, thank God they raised our own up. These people here, they are really suffering. Like water entered their house.
Gbogbo Lekki abo ẹbẹ lògbò Lekki. Gbogbo Lekki Samolari ògbò Lekki. Gbogbo Lekki Nere Mali ògbò Lekki. Gbogbo Lekki Jowi Dada ògbò Lekki. Gbogbo Lekki Elumelu ògbò Lekki.
Of a flood. This happens every single year. It's not a 1 in a 5-year experience where there's particularly high rainfall. It happened last year. It's happening this year. It will happen next year. And my problem is there are two angles to look at. The first angle is the people. I'm going to start with the people and then proceed to the government. As long as you keep throwing pure water sachet, bottled water container, and the likes into the drains, as long as you throw your used tires and your refuse in general into the drains, we will continue going through this. I think stricter penalties need to be created and enforced when it comes to people throwing refuse on the highways and in the middle of the road and in the gutters. Some people think gutter is dustbin. Growing up in the hood, that paper you threw on the floor, why didn't you throw it in the gutter? Gutter is not dustbin. Gutter is part of the drainage system. I want to take this even further. Yes, I know you're busy. Maybe if we stopped eating in our cars, because when you eat in the car, there's going to be the tendency for you to want to throw out the empty bottle or the empty pack or the empty nylon or whatever it is that you used. There are things you will not do abroad, but you will come home to Nigeria, throw your refuse everywhere and anywhere. The other day, I saw a guy wean from a moving vehicle. Is that how people do it abroad? On the road. People wee on the road. We live, I'm sorry to say this, we don't live like humans. We live like lower primates. We don't live like people capable of reason. We live like instinctive primates. And where we are now is not a far cry from where we are expected to be, considering our input as a people. Let's not blame everything on the government. The reason why I'm coming for you is because you are the ones clogging the drainage. Now let's go to the government. Yes, the government is made up of people, and the corrupt people in the government are the same corrupt people in the populace that got into the government. Let us talk about houses built on canals. Who gave the approval? Now, it's hard to separate between the government and the people, because it is still the people that became the government that are doing that. So that's for both the people and the government. Now, if the government comes and demolishes the house, the government is bad. Oh, look how much money they've invested. They just came, and in the twinkle of an eye, they brought everything down. They turned the house to ruins. Oh, this government is this government is that. That's not entirely the government's fault. It is the people and the government. However, there's one part where we cannot deny the responsibility of the government. And you know where that is? In ensuring that it never happens again. It happened last year. Okay, what was the cause? People throwing refuse indiscriminately. By the time you pick people up, see, the government needs money. And as long as this money is not embezzled, take it from the people. That poor man on the streets, let him sell his house and bring 100,000 naira for littering the road. That bus conductor win on the road. Let him bring 100,000 naira to bail himself, or spend 6 months in prison or 2 years in prison. By the time you start bringing stiffer penalties and higher fines, you will realize that people will understand that they are not supposed to litter. You as a government will now take that money and use it to clear the canals. You clear the canal. You don't clear the canals when the rain has started. As early as March, before the rain started in earnest, the canal along Lekki, if you're going to Conoil, Chisco, that area, the canal was blocked from around March. Una know say rainy season go come. Una know say once the canal overflows, the water will back onto the road. What proactive measure did you as a government take to make sure that this doesn't happen again? No matter how much we complain as a people, if we don't observe our rights and responsibilities as citizens, and if our government does not understand their own rights and responsibilities, we are going to continue moving around like headless chicken.